If we take a look since yesterday, after I have made the analysis, I was expecting there is a high probability that the price could continue to fall in value. And we can see that the price formed this bearish candle with a small body with a larger wick on the lower side. And on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, yesterday I have shared also information when this breakout happened. On the 4-hour time frame, the traders was receiving the information about the breakout, and the target was here at 2634.86. This moment here, when the price formed a breakout here, the traders inside the premium analysis have received this information and the target was reached. And since then we can see the price is bouncing from this area of support at demand zone at 2634.86, and it has reached this area of resistance, small one, which is currently a confluence of resistance because we have a horizontal line acting as a resistance, and we have this trend line which is acting also as a resistance. So we can see currently on the daily time frame the price is still finding its way where the price will go. Will it make a bearish breakout below, or it will continue to form a bullish breakout above this confluence of resistance? Now what we could expect today. For now, I'm still waiting for the clean breakout. Is it bullish or bearish? It doesn't matter, but the clean breakout should happen. And we can see that 2634.86 is the very important support level, and above that is also this one here, 2653.45, and especially 2662.90. If we see the breakout above this one or the breakout below this one, this will mean the price has found enough strength to push the price in that direction. So what I'm expecting currently, well, I cannot say currently because the market is going up then down, and currently this around this area of range between 2653 and 2647. So I'm waiting for a clean breakout where the price could go. The daily time frame shows me indecision candle and also this bearish, so I'm currently more inclined to see the price going further down because this week on the yesterday candle has been much larger than on the upper side, which means this selling pressure here is much stronger than the buyer's pressure right here. So for now I'm still waiting, but also if you would like to see when the breakout happens, and also for example like in this example with a clean target where the price could reach, feel free to join the premium analysis. The link will be below. You have a free trial so you can also test for yourself. That's all for today, and see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.